In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting from an email invite. If you've ever received a Zoom invitation in your inbox and weren't quite sure what to click or when to click it, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you can join your next meeting with confidence and without any last-minute stress. First, open the email inbox where you normally receive messages. This might be Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any other email service you use. Make sure you're on the account where the organizer said they would send the invite. Once you're in your inbox, look for a recent email with a subject line that mentions a Zoom meeting or invitation. It's often sent by the person hosting the meeting or by Zoom on their behalf. When you open that email, you'll see the meeting details. Typically, this includes the meeting topic or title, the date and time, and sometimes a short description. Take a moment to double-check that the date and time match when you're expecting to join, and note the time zone if it's mentioned. This helps you avoid showing up too early or too late. Next, look for the main link that says something like, Join Zoom Meeting. This is the simplest way to get into the meeting. When you're ready to join, usually a few minutes before the scheduled start time, go ahead and click that link. If this is your first time using Zoom on this device, your browser may prompt you to open the Zoom app or download it. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow the browser to open Zoom when asked. If the Zoom application is already installed, it should open automatically and connect you to the meeting. You might see a screen asking for your name. Type in the name you'd like other participants to see, then confirm to continue. In some invitations, you'll also see a section with the meeting ID and possibly a passcode. You usually don't need these if you're using the main Join Zoom Meeting link, but they're helpful if you prefer to open the Zoom app manually and join by entering the meeting ID instead. Once Zoom connects, you may be placed in a waiting room until the host lets you in. When you enter the meeting, choose whether to join with computer audio and turn your camera on or off based on your preference and the meeting's expectations. And that's all there is to it. By following your email invite and using the main join link, you'll be able to get into any Zoom meeting quickly and easily.